front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on a suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard will allow you to use cool features like clipboard or voice typing. Enabling it's a bit difficult, so I tested it before recording to show you exactly how you can do it step by step. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll to click System section available here. Then click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!